Hello. Snell Air Conditioning is Sunrise's air conditioning and AC repair specialist. We've been servicing the area as a family owned business now for over 30 years, and we have loads of testimonials where we would love to help you with your new air conditioning installation or an AC repair where you'll become a satisfied customer of us. You can reach us one of two ways. You could call us by calling either 954-726-8883 or 954-771-0777, or visit our website at www.snellac.com. We look forward to helping you with all of your Sunrise-based new air conditioning and or AC repair specialist needs.